Artificial intelligence does not learn the way humans do. It does not think, reason, or understand meaning. Yet it can recognize faces, translate languages, recommend content, diagnose diseases, and even drive cars. This contrast is what makes artificial intelligence both powerful and widely misunderstood. So what is really happening when we say an AI system learns? Everything begins with data, not intelligence, not logic. Data, images, text, numbers, audio, and sensor readings are collected and labeled by humans. If an AI is trained to recognize cats, it is not told what a cat is. Instead, it is shown thousands or even millions of images labeled cat and not cat. These labeled examples are fed into the input layer of a neural network, where learning truly begins. At this stage, the AI does not see objects, it sees numbers. Each image is converted into a grid of pixel values, representing brightness and color. The AI has no concept of fur, eyes, animals, or objects. It only processes numerical patterns. Inside the neural network, data flows through multiple layers of artificial neurons. Each neuron performs a simple mathematical operation. It multiplies inputs by weights, adds them together, applies a function, and passes the result forward. Early layers detect simple features like edges and contrasts. Deeper layers combine these features into more complex statistical patterns. At first, the system performs very poorly because the weights are random. The AI makes a prediction, cat or not cat, and compares it to the correct human-provided label. The difference between the prediction and the correct answer is called error. This error is measured using a loss function, which produces a number describing how wrong the prediction was. A high loss means the prediction was very wrong. A low loss means it was closer to correct. The AI does not feel failure or success. It only sees numbers. To improve, the error is sent backward through the network using a process called backpropagation. Each weight is adjusted slightly in a direction that reduces future error. These adjustments are small and controlled, ensuring the system learns gradually and remains stable. This cycle repeats continuously. Data flows in, predictions are made, error is measured, and weights are updated. Over thousands or millions of repetitions, the AI becomes highly optimized for its specific task. But this optimization has limits. AI does not understand meaning or context. It learns correlations, not concepts. It predicts what is statistically likely based on past data, which is why it can excel at narrow tasks, yet fail in unfamiliar or unexpected situations. Artificial intelligence is not conscious, intelligent, or aware. It is a powerful mathematical system trained to minimize error. Understanding this is essential. AI is not magic, but when used with clear knowledge of how it learns, it becomes one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever built. If you want clear, grounded explanations of artificial intelligence, robotics, and emerging technologies, subscribe to The Intelligent World, because the future belongs to those who understand how it works.